So today's big news is Meta has announced a layoff. And how many people? They are laying off around 8,000 employees. And this is the news in all of the newspaper if you see. So again, the question came, which is how to future AI proof possibly your career. How to do this? So in this video, let's try to understand this all together. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing which I actually want you to understand is there is no pill like do this and you will be future proof. You will be future proof. I don't want to give you any pill like that or any suggestion or any advice like that. It will be never relevant. Okay, so understand this. I don't want to keep you into some illusion that do this and your job will be safe. So nothing like that exists. So AI nature is anything which is repetitive, rule based, predictable, and done without awareness is going to replace by AI. Understand this. Anything which is repetitive, rule based, predictable, and done without awareness is going to replace with AI. So, whenever you feel that whatever job you are doing is getting repetitive, rule based, predictable, and done without awareness, start moving your start moving yourself from there, right? So, as of now, what are such things which are not falling into this category? Those are the things like cyber security, then AI ML engineering, these things, and human centric designs or human centric projects, whatever are there, right? So, if you have these skills, then you are still safe. But at some point of time, as we evolve, right, all these things again will start falling into this category and it will again be applicable for layoff. So, what are the things which you should do, or what are the skills, or what are the capability which you should develop so that you will surpass all this? So, the first thing which I want you to do is never rely never rely on your job. This is the first thing which you should do. Now what you should do is, it's not like you should take two jobs parallelly. I am not telling you this that you should take two jobs. I am telling you that you keep on doing something else side by side which will make you more productive, which will give you extra skill. For example, now you are working in IT company, you can do something else. Like for example, might be you are running a YouTube channel for your hobby, right? You might be teaching people, possible, right? You might be taking some classes. So build something apart from your 9 to 5 job, whatever it can be. You might be running a business of clothing where you are stitching the cloth and selling, but do something which is apart from your job. Never rely on your job. This is the only way to make yourself safe from the layoff. Okay, so this is the first idea which I want you to take and understand. Second idea. Now, what is the second way to future proof? Second idea is networking and online presence. Okay, so you might not realize this because many people nowadays, if you see, right, we have a lot of IT people who are working, but if you check their online presence, right, they won't visit their LinkedIn couple of years. I have seen people whose LinkedIn last updated 2 years back. So this is a red flag. So you should be active on your social media platform. You should grow your influence in social media. So what happens actually with this? So if you grow your influence, right, you are building the networking, right? In case you got laid off from the job, you have a easy other net, your networking will work for you and get you the job. That is possible. Another thing which is possible is the online presence. You will never know in which way it will help you. You might get some offer from some other company by looking at your profile. They will call you from their side and ask you, will you join? So you can never think of what all opportunity it will open for you. So I have seen few people get a call from some universities because they are good in their stuff. So universities are calling them to give some lectures and they are ready to pay for them, for these guys. So this is this is very this is very different field for these guys, for IT guys, but this happens and this is happening. So I want you to understand this and focus here. Build your online presence. If you are not looking at your LinkedIn, at least start looking once a day. Start posting your thoughts, start posting your lessons, so that people can understand you more, people can know you, where your expertise lies, and the opportunity will walk towards you. Okay, so that is the second thing. Third thing which actually I want you to do is get comfortable in interview process. Now, as of now, what is happening? Now, this is a team, for example, right? This is a team of people. They all will be happy. They stay happy for 4 years. They are working together. Nobody will give any interview. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Suddenly, this guy sense some politics happening and people started cornering him, people started putting him down, all these things, and now he will hit the benchmark, his emotional benchmark or threshold, and now he wants to move out. So he start giving interview. This is how the interview initiation will happen normally for anybody working in the IT company. I want you to change all these things. You should not be a reactive way. So start giving interview. As soon as you join a job, if you join some job in the company, don't stop giving interview. Don't stop. You need to get perfect. You need to get master in the interview process. Okay? So what are the benefit of interview? What are the benefit of giving this interview on frequently? So what will happen is, first thing is you will get expert, right? You will get a good offer eventually. You might not realize it. In the process of giving interview, somebody might offer you 100% hike and you will end up joining, and then you will realize that how good this decision was, right? This is another thing. Third benefit is you will stay current. You will stay current. You know what is happening outside. So in case you got layoff, you have what is running in the market, what is current in the market, and you can simply cash on easily on that. For other people, might be after layoff it takes 6 months for them to look for a job, get a job, but for you it is just a 2 weeks work, right? This way you can make yourself safe. So these are the benefit of giving interview. So I want you to do these things, follow these things, keep giving interview, keep giving interview. Even if you want to join that company or not, keep giving it, get offer letter. Let's see how in your lifetime how many companies offer letter you can get. Have that competition. It's perfectly okay if you don't join the company, but do it and you will see the benefit of it. And this is the way which I can think one can make themselves layoff proof. And one more thing is, if there are somebody who are thinking that I am loyal to the company, I work hard, I get awards, I am there in company since 10 years, nothing matters. Understand this. You are just a data point. You are just an entity or a data point in the on the canvas, and you can simply be erased. Just a shuffling of organization structure and all, you will be laid off. So it was never a case that loyal, being hard worker, being a long duration member in the company will have a safe job. No, you might have seen 50 years. Person has spent 50 years and they are sending them at home, right? Microsoft, today's only you can read this news. Microsoft, what they are doing is they are giving voluntarily retirement to the people whoever has worked for example 50 years, right? They are telling them it's actually a silent layoff. They are not telling them you are laid off, but they are telling that we are giving you voluntary retirement. So nobody is safe. Even if you think that I am expert in my craft, I will be safe, I can drive company. No, nothing. Nobody is safe. So start doing these things, start doing these three things, and you will be future proof.